Hello friends, this is Unique English Basics እንዴት ናችሁ? ሰላም ናችሁ አለን? Today I'm going to teach you both beginners and advanced English. Beginners and advanced English, or you can call it normal versus advanced English. ለሁለቱም ለቢግነሮችም እንደገና ደግሞ ለአድቫንስዶችም የሚሆን እንግሊዝኛ ነው ይዤላችሁ መጣው። ምን ታረጋላችሁ? ማስታወሻ መውሰዳችሁን አትርሱ። Don't forget to take notes. Let's get started. አሁን እንጀምራለን ማለት ነው። First one is catch up. Stick catch up. What is it? Catch up, right? So, for example, if you say somebody, hey, catch up የሚለው ምንድነው? advanced ነው። ይሄ ምንድነው? advanced ነው። አሁን በዚህ በኩል የምጽፍላችሁ advanced ተማሪዎች በደንብ አድርጋችሁ እሺ catch up እሺ አሁን let's catch up today ብላችሁ ምን እያልኩ ነው? ስለዚህ let's catch up today ስል ዛሬ እንገናኝ ሚት እናድርግ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ምሳሌ ምን ታደርጋላችሁ? let's catch up today ዛሬ እንገናኝ። let's catch up today. Let's catch up tomorrow. Let's catch up tomorrow. ነገ እንገናኝ በኋላ እንገናኝ በርሲ let's catch up later. Let's catch up later በርሲ ስለዚህ to catch up means ምን ማለት ነው? to meet. let's meet today ማለት ነው። let's meet today, right? So let's catch up today means let's meet today ማለት ነው። let's catch up today means let's meet today. Okay, that's very good. ስለዚህ መቼ እንገናኝ ቢላችሁ ሰው ምን ትላለህ? hey, let's catch up today, right? let's catch up today or let's meet today. አንድ ሰው ቢግነር ከሆነ ወይም ጀማሪ ነገር ከሆነ ምን ትሉታላችሁ? ይበልጥ እንዲገባው let's meet today ትሉታላችሁ። እንግሊዝኛው ደግሞ bit advanced ከሆነ ምን ትሉታላችሁ? let's catch up today ትሉታላችሁ ማለት ነው። am I clear? Yeah, that's it. And number 2 is like starving. Starving, what is it? Starving. What do you mean by starving? For example, if I say that I am starving, I need to have my lunch. So what am I talking about?
Hungriness.
Very hungry. Okay, very what?
Hungry.
Very hungry. Very hungry. በጣም የራበው ማለት ነው። Very hungry. ስለዚህ ረቦኛል በሉ እስቲ። በጣም ረቦኛል በሉ። I'm starving. Say it again. I'm starving. I'm starving. I'm starving አላችሁ። በጣም ርቦኛል አላችሁ። I'm starving. Okay? It means ምን ማለት ነው? I'm very hungry ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ አሁንም ያ ሰው ጀማሪ ነው ብላችሁ ካሰባችሁ I'm very hungry ብትሉት የበለጠ ይገባዋል። ነገር ግን if it's a bit advanced ምን ትሉታላችሁ ማለት ነው? I'm starving. So, I'm starving. Are you starving, Ashinafi? Yeah. Are you starving? Yeah. I'm starving. Say, I'm starving.
I'm starving. I need
to
have my lunch.
Yeah, I need to have my lunch. I'm starving. I need to have my lunch. All right. Yeah, I'm starving. But I'm ርቦኛል ሲል ምን ይላል ማለት ነው? I'm starving. Say it again. I'm starving.
I'm starving.
Speak up.
I'm starving.
I'm starving. Very good. ስለዚህ በጣም ከራባችሁ I'm starving ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው። Am I clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very good. That's very good. And number 3 is over the moon. But see, over the moon. moon ምንድነው? ጨረቃ። ስለዚህ ጨረቃ ላይ ማለት ለምሳሌ አሁን አንድ ሰው I'm over the moon ቢላችሁ what is he talking about? ምን እያለ ነው? I'm over the moon ሲላችሁ ለምሳሌ like today is my wedding day, I'm over the moon ቢላችሁ what is he talking about? He's talking about his happiness አይደል? Yeah. It means that very happy. What does it mean?
He's very happy. ስለዚህ አንድ ሰው I'm very happy በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል ስትሉት አንድ ሰው ምን ትላለህ? I'm very happy ትላላችሁ አይደል? ግን ደግሞ እንግሊዝኛው ደግሞ የዛ ሰው ደግሞ advanced ከሆነ ደግሞ ምን ትሉታላችሁ ማለት ነው? I'm over the moon. Say I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon.
Say it again.
I'm over the moon.
ስለዚህ I'm over the moon. I'm over በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል ስትሉ I'm over the moon ትላላችሁ። All right? When were you over the moon? I was over the moon. Come on. When were you over the moon?
I was over the moon when I joined architecture.
Yeah, I was over the moon when I joined architecture. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, that's so good. Okay. When were you over the moon? I was over the moon
when I dated my girlfriend.
I was over the moon when I dated my girlfriend. All right? Yeah. Or you can say I was over the moon when I ran game to my girlfriend, right? Right. Yeah, that's it. So over the moon means very happy. What does it mean? very happy በጣም ደስተኛ ማለት ነው over the moon ስትሉ ስለዚህ በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል ስትሉ ከዚህ በኋላ ምን ትላላችሁ እንግሊዝኛችሁ ትንሽ በጣም ደግሞ ጸዴ ስታረጉት ምን ትላላችሁ I'm over the moon ትላላችሁ wow what's up you're over the moon ብለህ ምን ነው በጣም ተደስታል ብለህ because I've got a lot of money. Do you understand me? Yeah. Everything is on me today. Am I clear? Yeah. So that's the meaning of what? Over the moon. All right? That's the meaning of over the moon. Okay. That's really good. And then number 4 is swamped. But you see, swamped. Swamped. So swamped means, what do you mean by swamped? Very busy. Very busy. አሁን ስዋምፕ ካያችሁት ይሄ ረግረጋማ ቦታ ነገር ስዋምፕ አለ አይደል? ስትቆሙት እንደዚህ ወስዶ እንትን የሚላችሁ ማለት ነው። ነገር ግን ስዋምፕ ነኝ ማለት I'm swamped ስትሉ ምን ያለው ነው? I'm very busy ማለት ነው. Right? So are you swamped in your life? በህይወት ቢዚ ነው ወይ ያልኩ ነው. Are you swamped in your life?
No.
Say I'm not swamped.
I'm not swamped.
How do you pronounce it? እቺ swamped ሳይሆን እቺ ቲ ነች ድምጿ. Swamped. Say swamped. Say swamped.
Swamped.
Okay. So are you swamped in your life?
Yeah.
I'm swamped in my life.
Yeah.
Do you think that the best way to be successful is to be swamped?
No.
No.
Yeah.
What is the best key to be successful?
To be smart.
To be smart.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that's very good. So swamped. ስለዚህ አሁን የሆነ ሰው ደወላችሁና shall we catch up today? But you see, shall we catch up today?
Shall we catch up today?
ምን አልኳችሁ? Sorry, I'm swamped አልኳችሁ። ምን አልኳችሁ?
Sorry, I'm busy.
Yeah, sorry, I'm busy ስትሉ for beginners, like they can understand. Busy እንደውም በዚህ ሰዓት ገበሬ ሁሉ ያውቃታል። busy. ስለዚህ swamped, say swamped በሉ see? Swamped. All right. ለምሳሌ የተባለ ሰው ምን አላችሁ? Shall we catch up today አላችሁ። Shall we catch up today? ዛሬ ብንገናኝስ አላችሁ አይደል? Shall we catch up today አላችሁ። ስለዚህ sorry በሉ see? Sorry, I'm swamped. Sorry what? I'm swamped. ይቅርታ እኔ በጣም ቢዚ ነኝ ዛሬ በጣም ስራ በዝቶብኛል ስትሉ sorry I'm swamped ትላላችሁ። Say again. Sorry I'm swamped.
Sorry, I'm swamped.
Or you can say I'm snowed under many activities ትላላችሁ አይደል? I'm snowed under many activities. I'm swamped. I'm very busy. Am I clear?
Yeah.
So like these are really important so that like ይሄን በዚህ በኩል ያለው ለምን እንደምትጠቀሙት advanced ለሆነ ሰው ነው በዚህ በኩል ደግሞ beginners normal English ነው ማለት ነው. Am I clear?
Yeah.
አሁን ቀሪዎች እናያለን ማለት ነው. So ስታምቡቲንን exhausted በሲ exhausted. Like I'm exhausted ስትሉ ምን እያላችሁ ማለት ነው?
I'm tired.
Very tired. Stay I'm exhausted በሲ I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted.
What do you do when you're exhausted?
I sleep.
You sleep, right? What about you? What do you do when you're exhausted?
Maybe walk.
I walk when I'm exhausted, all right? You guys like, what do you do when you're exhausted? ሲደክማችሁ በጣም ስትዝሉ ማለት ነው. But there is another one too. Worn out. but እስቲ worn out. አሁን worn out አድርጊያለሁ ካላችሁ ምን ማለት ነው? ጨርቆኛል አንዴ ድክም ብያለሁ ያላችሁ I'm worn out ትላላችሁ. But this expression worn out has got another meaning. For example, Marxism is worn out ብል የነተበ ነው ከጥቅም ውጭ የሆነ ነው ማለት ነው. Do you understand me? This clothes is worn out ስል ልብሱ የነተበ ነው ያለቀ ነው. So it has got a lot of meanings ማለት ነው. ሰውየው ደግሞ I am worn out ካለ ልብ አድርጉ አሁን እዚህ ጋር I am but see worn out እያለ ምን እያለ ነው? I'm very tired ነው. ምንድን ነው? I'm very tired እያለ ነው. I'm very tired. Okay, that's very good. Or if I say these clothes what? Clothes are worn out. እነዚህ ልብሶች ነትበዋል ማለት ምንድነው ማለት ነው? ነትበዋል ማለት በጣም ያረጁ ናቸው ነው አይደል እንዴ? ተለብሰው ያለቁ ከሆነ የተቡ these clothes are worn out ትላላችሁ. Okay, so this idea, but you see, this idea is worn out. See? This idea is what?
This idea is worn out.
ጊዜ ያለፈበት የነተበበት ነው። ይሄ ጊዜ ያለፈበት worn out. It's outdated. Do you understand me? ስለዚህ outdated የሆነ ጊዜ ያለፈበት። ስለዚህ እቺ worn out ስንት አላት? አንደኛ ያለቀ ለልብስ ይሆናል። worn out በጣም የዛለ ደከመ ይሆናል። worn out ደግሞ ጊዜ ያለፈበት ለሐሳብ ለፍልስፍና ለምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Am I clear?
Yeah.
All right, that's very good. So exhausted, but see exhausted. Say it again.
Exhausted.
I'm exhausted, but see.
I'm exhausted.
I need to go to bed. Say, I need to hit the sack. Say, I need to hit the sack.
I need to hit the sack
because
Because I'm exhausted.
Because I'm exhausted. Yes or no? I need to rack off because I'm exhausted. To rack off means to sleep. I told you last time. You remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, rack off means to sleep, right? Hit the sack, to sleep. Hit the hay, to sleep. Hit the shit, to sleep. All right? English is sometimes, like, okay. All right, good. ስለዚህ አሁን ገብቶሃል? በደንብ ገብቶሃል? አሁን ገብቶሃል? All right, that's it. እስቲ freezing በል እስቲ freezing. What do you mean by freezing? Freezing, all right? Freezing ማለት በጣም ነው፣ ቀዝቃዛ ብቻ አይደለም። Very cold. What does it mean? እስቲ ውጩ በጣም ይበርዳል በል እስቲ It's freezing outside. It's freezing outside. በል እስቲ
It's freezing outside.
Instead of saying it's very cold outside with one word, ምን ማለት ትችላላችሁ? It's freezing outside. So it's freezing outside. Say it's freezing outside.
It's freezing outside.
What do you do when it's freezing? You bundle up. Yes or no? You bundle up, right? Or like you put on a jacket to bundle up means መደረብ ነው። እሺ ተው በቃ እሺ. All right. So it's freezing. It's freezing. Say it's freezing.
It's freezing.
It's freezing outside. Say it again. It's freezing outside.
It's freezing outside.
So do you like freezing weather? ትወዳለህ freezing weather? Hey.
Yeah.
Do you like freezing weather? Do you like freezing weather?
Yeah.
I like. Yes I do. But see?
Yes, I do.
All right. ስለዚህ freezing means very cold ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ አንድ ሰው ምን ትሉታላችሁ? ቢግነር ከሆነ it's very cold ያስናል። But if someone is a little bit advanced, what can you say? It's freezing outside. Yes or no? Yeah. It's freezing outside. That's it. And number 7 is jammy. It's the jammy. What do you see? Jammy. Say jammy. When I say jammy, what do I mean when I say jammy? For example, you are jammy. You are so jammy. Jammy means ምን ማለት ነው? jammy lucky ማለት ነው፣ እድለኛ።
Yeah.
I'm so jammy. But see, I'm so jammy.
So jammy.
አሁን ለምሳሌ I'm so jammy. I'm what? So
Jammy.
I'm so jammy to be Ethiopian. To be what?
Ethiopian.
ኢትዮጵያዊ በመሆኔ በጣም እድለኛ ነኝ ነው አይደለም እንዴ? I'm so jammy to be Ethiopian. Yes or no? I'm so jammy to be African. Yes or no? I'm so jammy to be black. But see, I'm so jammy to be black. Say it again.
I'm so jammy to be black.
Yeah, I'm so jammy to be black. To be black. ጥቁር በመሆኔ በጣም እድለኛ ነኝ ያልክ ነው ማለት። I'm so jammy to be black, right? Do you understand me? I'm so jammy to be your student. But see, በለኝ እድለኛ አይደለም እንዴ? I'm so jammy, but see, to be your student. Say it again. I'm so jammy to be your student.
I'm so jammy to be your student.
ያንተ ተማሪ በመሆኔ እድለኛ ነኝ ያለ። I'm so jammy to be የፈለከውን ያህል ማለት I'm so jammy to be your brother. But see,
I'm so jammy to be your brother.
ያንተ ወንድም በመሆኔ እድለኛ ነኝ። I'm so jammy to be your sister. I'm so jammy to be your father. I'm so jammy to be your brother. Yes or no? I'm so jammy to be your teacher. Yes or no? የእናንተ አስተማሪ በመሆኔ እድለኛ ነኝ። So that's like, jammy means እድለኛ አይደለም እንዴ? ስለዚህ this generation is so jammy. But see,
This generation
is so jammy that he or she can learn many things on internet. Yes or no? This generation is so jammy that he or she can learn many things on internet. ስለዚህ jammy ማለት እድለኛ ማለት ነው። ምንድነው? jammy በሉ እስኪ jammy. Yes, say it again. አንተ በጣም እድለኛ ነህ በለኝ። You are so jammy በለኝ እስኪ። Say.
You're so jammy.
To be a teacher በለኝ እስኪ። You are so jammy to be a teacher በለኝ እስኪ።
You're so jammy to be a teacher.
Yeah, አስተማሪ በመሆንህ እድለኛ ነህ። You are so jammy to be a teacher. Do you understand me? That is so good. ስለዚህ jammy ማለት ነው። What do you mean by jammy? ምን ማለት ነው jammy? What do you mean by jammy?
To be lucky.
To be lucky ማለት ነው, right? jammy ማለት እድለኛ ማለት ነው። Okay, that's it. Number 8. Number 8 is keep it. When you say keep it under wraps. But keep it under wraps.
Keep it under wraps.
Keep it under wraps. ለምሳሌ አሁን የሆነ ሚስጥር ነገራችሁት። Hey, keep it under wraps. Keep it. ይሄ ደብሊው ነው። wrap ተብሎ አይነበ wraps. Say wraps. አረ ደብሊው አረ wraps. በሲ wraps. ሳሽናፊ keep it under wraps. በሲ
Keep it under wraps.
ሚስጥር በሚስጥር ያዘው ስትሉት አንድ ሰው ምን ብትሉት keep it under wraps. Imagine አሁን የሆነ ሚስጥር ነገርኩና አሽናፊ keep it under wraps. It's very dangerous. አልኩ አይደል? No. I swear to God, I never spill the beans. Do you understand me? I never spill the beans. So like I won't tell a soul. But see, I won't tell a soul. I won't tell a soul means ትንፍሽ አይደለም ማለት ለማለት I won't tell a soul. keep it under wraps. So to keep it under wraps means to keep a secret. What does it mean? Keep a secret. What does it mean? Keep a secret. ስለዚህ አንድ ሰው ሚስጥር ጠብቅ ስትሉት ምን ነው የምትሉት? keep it under wraps ነው የምትሉት። Say it again. Keep it under wraps. Keep it under wraps. Yeah, I swear, I won't tell a soul. I never breathe a word of it. Yes or no? I never breathe a word of it. Tell me everything what you have. Do you understand me? No, I don't trust you. Okay, that's it. So are you good at keeping things under wraps?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Of course.
All right, that's a good. All right, that's a good. That's a good. Okay, do you have some confusions here? Any confusion here? Any confusion here?
Right here.
All right, that's it. And then let's see number 9. Okay, waste time. But see, waste time.
Waste time.
See, I only waste time in the know.
ጊዜ ማባከን.
ጊዜ ማባከን. But let me write the advanced one. Like faff. But see, faff. Faff around. But see, faff around.
Puff around.
What do you mean by faff around? For example, and the solemn Messiah, why are you faffing around here? አላችሁት. Why are you wasting your time? ማውደልደል ማለት ነው። በቃ ጊዜ ዝም ብሎ በቃ አሁን ምንም ሰው ስራ አይሰራም። ወደዚህ ሲል stop faffing around ትላላችሁ። So
ልጅ ሚካኤል አልሰማም።
stop faffing around.
Name is Puff.
Okay, faff around. Stop. What does it mean? Faff around means waste time.
of time.
Waste time. Waste
Time.
time. ስለዚህ አሁን ጊዜውን ወደዚህ ሲያወደልድ ስታውት ምን ትሉታላችሁ?
Puffing around.
Yeah, stop faffing around. Use your time properly, right? Do you understand me?
Yeah.
All right. Why are you faffing around? Because your time is your life, yes? So to faff around, but there is another expression, but like the F word, another F word, but
Come on, Sage. Come on.
come on, say it, right? Okay, no. Because children as የሚማሩ ልጆች አሉ እንጂ ሌላ ልነግራችሁ ነበር። ተውት። Faff around. Say faff around.
Puff around.
Say it.
Puff around.
Mess around ይባላል። አንዳንዴ ምን ይባላል? Mess around. but see, mess around. Why are you messing around ትላለህ። ዝም ብሎ ወደዚህ ሲል ስታየው ምንም ስራ አይሰራም። በቃ እንደዚህ ሲል why are you faffing around? Why are you messing around? So to faff around or to mess around means to waste time without doing anything. Understand? Without doing what? Anything. That's the meaning of what?
Puff around.
Faff around. Faff around. That's the meaning of faff around. Okay, that's it. So, do you sometimes faff around? Yeah, many things. Yes or no? Many times. Do you sometimes faff around?
Yeah.
Many times. Yes or no? Yeah, all right. But what do you feel when you go to bed? Just faffing around the whole day? When you go to bed at night, how's your feeling?
A lot of blames.
A lot of blames will come to your mind. Yeah. That is true. If you don't do things, if you faff around the whole day, when you go to bed, you start asking yourself, right? What did I do today? When your mind tells you that you did nothing, that's the worst feeling. That comes to your mind, right? Do you understand me?
Yeah.
So never faff around. Use your time properly because your time is your life. All right, that's it. So the last one is hit me up. What does it? Hit me up. What does it?
Hit me up.
Hit me up means text me. What does it mean?
Text me.
Hit me up.
Yeah.
Or message me, text me, ምናምን contact me ይሆናል ማለት ነው, right? So hit me up በሉ እስኪ
Hit me up.
when you get free ነፃ ስትሆን እንትን በልልኝ በሉ እስኪ ቴክስት አድርግልኝ በሉ እስኪ hit me up
When you're free.
when you are free or when you get free, right? These are, both advanced and beginners English, expressions and words. I hope you got a very good lesson out of this video. Anybody who is interested in learning online classes or face-to-face classes, you are welcome. Give us a call. We can teach you English uniquely, beautifully, amazingly, and then you will never repeat, learning English after learning at Unique English. This is now, my word. Bye, everybody.